Here, you just have to scroll and look for the specific restaurant that you would want to order. So on this page, we are planning to get the Jollibee. So here in Jollibee, Sumulong Masinag, they have this Grabfood exclusive promo, which is Grab 4 and Get 4 bundle. 190 pesos only, and you will get 2 pieces of Jolly hot dog, 4 pieces or 2 pieces of cheeseburger, and 4 pieces of french fries for only 190 pesos. You can also see there like different menus from Jollibee and how much is the price there. You can try to search and then just click one or select one, and then there is an indication where you can put how many pieces or quantity for each product. So here you can see that I selected the Grab 4 Get 4 bundle, just like what I've said earlier, 190 pesos. And then all you gotta do is select if how many quantities. So what we did is we are going to select 2 orders of that, and there are special instructions like if you don't want some ketchup put on your burgers or mayonnaise or something like that, then you can indicate it there. And on this page you can see the delivery fee for 80 pesos. Delivery fee for during daytime is 49 pesos, and during nighttime is either 70 pesos or 80 pesos. So in this case we have 80 pesos delivery. So the rider is already here. Finally, it is less than 30 minutes that we waited.
Bali, eto na siya guys. 4 na cheeseburger, 4 na jolly hotdog, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 na french fries. Wala siyang kasamang drinks, pero 190 pesos ang itong 4 na to, tsaka 4 na fries. 190 pesos, 4 na jolly hotdog, and 4 na fries. Yun yung promo ngayon ng Jollibee sa Grabfood.
So that's it guys. That's how you order on Grabfood, and easy peasy, mabilis lang siya. Less than 30 minutes, nandiyan na yung food nyo. Hope you subscribe to our channel guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Let's eat.